Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're taking an in-depth look at the CloudYida TV moving box for 65-inch flat screens. If you've ever moved a large television or worried about scratches, dust, or accidental bumps, this product might just be the solution you need. The CloudYida TV moving box is designed for flat-screen TVs between 60 and 65 inches. It's made from thickened, high-density felt, which gives it excellent tear resistance and shock absorption. This means your TV is not only protected from scratches but also from small bumps during transport or daily use. Inside, the padded interior ensures that your screen remains safe from pet claws, accidental nudges, or any minor impacts. One of the standout features of this cover is the innovative bottom strap. This strap secures the TV firmly in place, preventing slips while you're moving your TV from room to room or transporting it to a new home. The design is simple and user-friendly. You just slip the cover over your TV, fasten the strap, and it's ready to go. There's no complicated assembly or bulky materials to deal with. Beyond moving, the CloudYida cover doubles as a dust protector and even an outdoor TV cover. It's weather-resistant, which makes it ideal for protecting TVs in outdoor settings or during home renovations. You can store your television safely for long periods, fold the cover flat to save space, and reuse it multiple times. This makes it an eco-friendly alternative to cardboard boxes or single-use covers. Weighing just under 2 pounds and measuring 65 by 36 inches, the cover is lightweight but robust. Its reusable nature, combined with the space-saving foldable design, makes it practical for any household with large TVs, pets, or kids. It's essentially a versatile solution for anyone looking to protect their investment. In summary, the CloudYida TV moving box is a multi-purpose, durable, and user-friendly solution for moving, storing, or protecting your 60 to 65-inch flat-screen television. Its thick felt construction, padded interior, and bottom strap combine to offer reliable protection against scratches, impacts, dust, and weather, all while being compact and reusable. That wraps up our review for the CloudYida TV moving box. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe to Product Critique for more honest product evaluations.